Good everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel once again. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to open an Amazon KDP account. In the last video, we talked about what Amazon KDP is, and I believe every one of us got one or two things from that video. And in this video, I'll be teaching us how to open our Amazon KDP account. You know, most people, they are fond of having issue of opening the Amazon KDP account, and that is what we'll be solving this in this video today. So let's get into it. Now, if you are using a smartphone, I'm also using a smartphone here, and go to your browser. Actually, I will advise us to use either Kiwi browser, or you can also use DuckGo browser. Just go to your Play Store, download either Kiwi browser or DuckGo. I will advise us to do that. But on my phone here, I will be using my Google here. So what you are going to do here, move to your browser, then you click on the web address and click and type kdp.amazon.com. You click on that, then it's going to give you this page, and make sure you put your site on desktop site. If it is not on desktop site, make sure you put it there so that it will be more visible for you. So you click on desktop site, then here you can see sign up and sign in. You can see sign up here and sign in here. If you are just opening an account, you click on sign up. So click on sign up. It's going to lead you to this page. Then you click on create your KDP account. If you have your KDP account before, you just click on sign in. But here we are creating an account. Then put your name, your first name and your last name. I'm actually using this one just as an example. So put in your email address, then your password, and you confirm your password. Then click on create your KDP account. Actually, I don't want to put my password there because number one, I already have my own KDP account. But in this video, I just want to know the steps in which you are going to use in creating the account. So after that, you click on create your KDP account, then you solve the puzzle. Actually, some of you might not see this puzzle in your phone. It depends on the type of phone you are using. So you solve this puzzle. They said slide the image to complete the cone. So we are looking for cone here. So you make sure it is aligned with the cone. So you make sure it is aligned with the cone. So we've gotten like this. So it's success. So from here, they are going to send an OTP to your email address. Then you type in the OTP 00333. Okay. So after that, you add your mobile number. If you are in Nigeria, you click on Nigeria, and if you are in any other country, you put in your country code. So I'm actually in Nigeria, so that's +234. Then I will type in my number. Actually, if you are using this number, you don't need to add 0 again. since it is in +234. So you remove the 0, then you click on add mobile number. So make sure you remove the 0 before you click on add mobile number, then you are good to go. Then they are going to send an OTP to you on your phone number. So let's type in the OTP. So you click on create your Amazon account. Then after that, you agree to these terms and conditions. Just click on agree and you are good to go. Now your account has been created. Now you can see here they say your information is incomplete. So you click on update. Now you are going to provide some information here for your publisher information. So you click on update now. Click on update now. Then you confirm your verification. Put in your number. They are going to send you an OTP to your phone number. So type in your phone number, then it will bring you here. Then you can see here business type. Make sure it is individual, not corporation. Okay, it is individual. Then put in your date of birth. You click on this icon here, then click on it and you choose the year, the month and the date you were given birth. So you look for the year, then you choose the year. If you are born in 1954, if you are born in 18, if you are born when they created the world, you are free to choose any year. So after choosing the year, you write in your country and make sure you click on Nigeria. Don't just write it, make sure you click on Nigeria. Click on Nigeria. So make sure you click on it. Then you put in your legal name. After putting your country, you put in your legal name, your full name. And you put your address. Your city. Your state. Now for this postal code, actually for you to get your postal code, you can go to your browser or you can click on a new tab, then search for the postal code of your city. If you are living in Lagos now and you are in Lekki, you can just type postal code for Lekki, Lagos, and it's going to bring out your postal code. So let's try it now. I'm in Jos, Plateau, Jos. So I'm going to type postal code for in Jos. Postal code in Jos, and it's going to bring it out. So if you are in any other places, you can search for your postal code and you are going to get your postal code. So yeah, I already know my postal code here. So I'm going to choose it. So go back to my KDP account and paste it there. And also I will also drop my phone number here. So the informations they have been created. So now if you check here, you will see complete task information. In this task information, I'm going to drop another video about task information and how to link your bank account with your Amazon KDP account. Actually, as I've said earlier in my last video, you are going to need a dollar account. I'm still going to create a video about that on how to create your dollar account. So here you click on save. After completing the information, you click on save. So for the tax information, I'm going to drop another video for that. And in this tax information, you are going to learn how to remove 30% of royalties Amazon is removing from your money. So if you're able to complete this, you will be free from 30% royalties Amazon is removing from your money. So please guys, follow these steps I've shown you now, and I believe you will be able to create your Amazon KDP account successfully with this. So in our next video, watch out for our next video, and I'm going to drop another one. Actually, I'll be dropping a video about how to create your dollar account, and every other video I'll be dropping, I'll let you know. So thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and like this video. Turn on your notification bell for more videos. Thank you very much.